Alright guys, gonna be smashing up this Philco TV I got from a garage sale for $1.50. There should be some metal, copper in there, copper wire ski that I gotta strip up, so let's check her out. Holy shit. Oh, let's see what we got going on, ski. Yep. Got a sliver in my finger. Be careful with the capacitors and things. They can pull the charge and zap you if it was plugged in. So you just don't want to be cutting that up. Never know, folks. Here today, my friends. Shot this frame out of the TV here. It's a smashing day at the Picker compound, folks. Smashing day. Got a piece of metal right there. She's a little bit more work than I thought she was going to be, folks. Throwing sparks. Let's see where we're at today. And that's pretty much the end of her, folks. Got all my shit there. Looks like we're gonna have some aluminum. There's your capacitor you don't want to touch without wearing gloves. Holy shit, you don't want to touch that beast. So zap you right up, ski. Got my TV yoke I gotta smash up. I'll get this all cleaned up. Show you what we got. There's where your copper is going to be. What you want right there, folks. Oh yeah. And this thick ass wire you got to strip. Right there. Yep, it's on the back of every TV. I'll get all this apart. Let's see what we get. Alright guys, this is what I'm going to get out of the old Philco from 1993 ski. We're going to have a little bit of glass, a little bit of plastic, some copper wire here, some clean copper there, some copper wrapped around some magnesium there, some more copper wiring, a little bit of aluminum ski over there. This board goes in my tin pile right along with this crap. And that's pretty much scrapping a TV with Scrapper Boy. Oh yeah, another one down, folks, another one down.